Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode on the channel. Today I'll be fixing a fountain. So this is an old water fountain that I had laying around at home, and to fix it I'm going to use a submersible water pump that's actually designed for an aquarium. So this water pump is actually designed to be put inside of a fish tank, so it might pump a little bit too much water for what we need, but it will be replacing the battery operated pump which is inside of this fountain currently. So the first thing I did was I turned down the dial on the pump to the lowest setting possible, so that way not too much water will be flowing, and then I had to take out the old pump. So you can see that the old pump was much smaller than the new pump. So I actually had some trouble trying to get the old pump out because I wanted to reuse the same container. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to fit the new pump inside the same housing the old pump was sitting in, just because the old pump was a lot smaller in size than the new pump. So to kind of try and fix this problem, what I did was I actually had to use a separate container. So I looked around my house for something that might be suitable to fit the water pump inside of. And the thing that I found the most suitable was a stainless steel bowl, which is actually kind of cool. So what I did was I placed some rocks from my rock collection inside of the stainless steel bowl to kind of make a base for the water fountain. The next step was to see if how deep the pump actually had to be to get the fountain level with the top of the bowl. So once I had it level with the top of the bowl, I kind of placed the rocks around the base of the pump, so that way it was close to the very bottom of the bowl, but it had to be level, so that way when the water flowed, I get a nice even stream of water from the candle to the can into the pot inside of the fountain. So you'll see this at the end of the video, but just for some aesthetic purposes, after leveling the fountain with rocks, I placed some rocks around the outside of the fountain. It was actually really easy to fix this fountain, and I think a lot of people could do this at home in their spare time. But you know, it's just kind of a hobby. It's not a very pretty fountain, but I think it looks pretty good for what it is, especially with the prices of fountains online today. So here's the final product. If you like this video, press that like button, comment down below. Thanks for watching.